same super for Konstantin.
What's so funny?
It's strange. I haven't felt this close to you since I was little. I miss this. I really do miss this. You're all the family I have left. So it kills me that a man has to always come between us.
You simply don't understand him, Kostya. He's a very noble man.
He wasn't so noble when he was running away from our duel. Even now he's running away.
Stop with the melodramatics. I'm taking him away. Believe it or not, sometimes I act in your best interest. I know him being here with me makes you unhappy, so we're leaving, and I'm asking you to respect my decision.
How can I respect such a selfish decision? You think running away is going to change anything? The damage is done. Even now, we're fighting over him, and he's probably in the garden somewhere, laughing, trying to seduce Nina and thinking he's some genius.
Enough. You can say all the mean things you want about me, but I'm done with this nonsense. I have the utmost respect for that man, and as your mother, I demand this slander to stop.
I don't have any respect for him at all. You want me to treat him like he's some mad genius? Well, I'm sorry, I can't. His plays make me sick.
Envy isn't a good look on you, Kostya. But then again, those without talent always get some sick pleasure from criticizing those who are truly gifted.
Truly gifted? Bullshit! I have more talent than all of you combined. You and your tired old friends have taken over everything artistic, and unless it comes out of your mouths, or it's propping up your egos, you shut it out and trash it. In what world does that garner respect? I don't respect any of you, especially not him.
Symbolist hack.
Oh, I'm the symbolist hack? Why don't you go back to your precious theater and do your cheap-contrived second-rate plays?
How dare you? I never acted in a second-rate play in my entire life. Meanwhile, you couldn't even write the trashiest of folly sketches, you parasite of artistic achievement.
Funny, I have to be around artistic achievement in order to siphon it.